I recently purchased a set of the Eldon Blood Typing Kit on Amazon. This came in a pack of 3 and it was a pretty good price, but I'm going to share with you my experience using these because this is actually the second set that I've had to purchase. But first, let me show you what this pack looks like when it comes out of the box. As it says here, these are easy, fast, and reliable. This was a very fast test, but I am going to tell you that I ended up having to use 3 tests on one person because we followed the directions, but it didn't seem to really work properly. This was the 3rd test, and we were able to determine that this person was type O positive, but the other 2 tests actually came out a little bit differently. One of them came out type O negative, and then the other one came out where we couldn't really figure out what the blood type was. So this is something to consider when you purchase these. You might not be able to just use one test and then find out what that person is. We did have to buy a second round so that we could test the other people that we wanted to give blood tests to.